Question 5 says, find the slope of the normal to the curve x equals a cos cube theta, y equals a sin cube theta at theta equals pi by 4. Now, in this question, we are asked to find the slope of normal, and if you remember that normal and tangents are perpendicular to each other, then the question will be very simple to attempt. And how do we do that? The simple approach is, if this is tangent and this is a normal which is perpendicular, tangent, then the normal will be perpendicular at that point. And if the slopes of tangent and normal are m1 and m2 respectively, so we know something. What is that? That is m1 times m2. This product will be minus 1. For two lines which are perpendicular having slopes m1 and m2, the condition on their slopes is the product of m1 m2 equals minus 1. Now this is a simple condition. On the basis of this, we can find the slope of normal very easily if we know the slope of tangent, right? And the slope of tangent is something which we have been finding, right? But here the curve is given in terms of parameter theta, so that's not a worry. We need dy by dx, and dy by dx will be simply equal to dy over d theta upon dx over d theta. This is what I'm interested in, right? And what is dy over d theta? So for y, we need to differentiate with respect to theta. A is a constant, A is the least of our worries. Sine power 3 theta will apply the chain rule. This becomes 3 sine square theta first of all, and the derivative of sine theta is simply cos theta. Then next, you have a cos cube theta, differentiate that with respect to theta. A remains as it is, cos cube theta will become 3 cos square theta, and the derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. This is what you get, right? Once you observe this much, so some things will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled. Not only that, this sine theta, this sine square theta will get cancelled. What will remain is a sine theta in the numerator, cos theta in the denominator, and there's a minus. So this becomes minus sine theta over cos theta. And what is that equal to? This is minus of tan theta, right? Okay. For theta equals pi by 4, what do you get? This implies that dy by dx will be equal to what? Dy by dx will be equal to minus of tan pi by 4. And tan pi by 4 is 1, which is very simple. This is minus 1. But mind you, this is m1, as you can observe. This is slope of tangent. So therefore, slope of normal will be equal to what? Slope of normal will be minus m2, as you can observe, will be minus 1 upon m1, right? This is what you'll get. This is minus 1 upon m1, which is minus 1 upon this. This becomes plus 1, and yes, that is my required answer for this question over here, as you can see behind me. That's a complete solution for this question over here.